Welcome to Reviewsinsidetv, the place where we break down products to help you make the best decisions. Today, we're talking about a product that claims to blend seamlessly into your kitchen routine. The Oster Pro Series Blender with an XL 9-cup Tritan jar and tamper tool in dark blue. If you're someone who loves creating smoothies, salsas, milkshakes, or frozen drinks, this might be the gadget that takes your blending game to the next level. Let's get into the details. The Oster Pro Series Blender features a high-performance motor that packs 1100 watts of power, which is a serious claim in the blender world. Whether you're blending ice, nuts, fruits, or even veggies, this motor is designed to handle it all without hesitation. The blender comes with a 9-cup Tritan jar, which is not only dishwasher safe, but also BPA-free, meaning it's safe for you and your family. Now, the standout feature here is the Tamper tool, which helps push stubborn ingredients like frozen fruit or leafy greens back toward the blade, ensuring a smooth and consistent blend. We'll get into how useful this actually is in real-world use shortly. As for the controls, the Oster Pro Series features touch-activated LED display controls that make it easy to operate. It also includes auto programs for specific drinks like smoothies, milkshakes, salsa, and frozen beverages, so you can get a perfect blend with just one touch. But don't think that's all. You also get 8 speed settings to customize your blend for any occasion. And the cherry on top? Dual direction blade technology. This clever feature changes the direction of the blades automatically to prevent jamming, which should, in theory, keep your blend smooth every time. Now let's talk real-world testing. Setting this blender up was pretty simple. There's no complex assembly or confusing instructions. Just plug it in and go. One of the first things I tried was making a smoothie with frozen berries, spinach, and a bit of almond milk. The 1100-watt motor handled the frozen fruit with ease. The blades cut through the spinach without any issues, and the texture came out perfectly smooth. The tamper tool came into play when I added a handful of frozen spinach. It didn't quite want to blend right away. But using the tamper tool, I was able to push it down and get everything blended evenly. It did exactly what it was supposed to do. Now, I also tested it out with a batch of frozen margaritas. The blender handled the ice with no problem, and the frozen drinks came out perfectly slushy. I did notice, however, that it took a little longer to crush the ice compared to some of the more premium blenders out there, but it still did the job well. In terms of performance, the Oster Pro Series Blender excels at creating consistent blends for things like smoothies and frozen drinks, but it's not perfect. One downside I noticed is that on the highest speed, it tends to vibrate a bit more than I expected, especially when blending tougher ingredients. It's not terrible, but it's something to keep in mind if you're sensitive to noise and vibration. Let's break it down a bit more. On the positive side, this blender is strong, that the tamper tool is effective, and the dual direction blades work as advertised to prevent jamming. The touch-activated controls are sleek and modern, and the large 9-cup jar is perfect for larger batches. It's easy to clean, and the BPA-free materials make it safe for family use. On the flip side, the motor can be a bit loud at higher speeds, and while it does crush ice well, it's not the fastest at doing so compared to high-end competitors. Also, the vibration at higher speeds could be a deal-breaker for those who want a quieter blending experience. When it comes to value for money, the Oster Pro Series Blender sits in a sweet spot. It's priced reasonably for a blender with this kind of performance, and you're getting a solid mix of power, features, and usability. Compared to other blenders in this price range, such as the Ninja Professional or the Hamilton Beach Power Elite, it performs similarly, but with the added benefit of the tamper tool, which is a nice touch for those who do a lot of thick smoothies or frozen drinks. While it doesn't have the same brand recognition as more expensive models, it delivers solid performance without the premium price tag. Let's quickly touch on some comparisons. When you compare the Oster Pro Series to blenders like the Vitamix or the Blendtec, the differences become clear. Both the Vitamix and Blendtec offer more advanced motor power and superior ice crushing abilities, but they come at a much higher price point. The Oster Pro Series, however, does an excellent job at a fraction of the cost. In terms of blending frozen drinks and smoothies, this blender holds its ground against some of the more expensive models. However, if you need something for commercial-level blending or extreme heavy-duty tasks, you might want to look into those higher-end options. The build quality here is solid. The 9-cup Tritan jar feels durable, and the motor housing is sturdy without feeling cheap. The rubberized feet help reduce vibration during operation, but again, that vibration issue at higher speeds is something to keep an eye on. I don't foresee any immediate issues with long-term reliability, but I'd be cautious about heavy daily use if you're expecting professional-level durability. Customer support for Oster is generally solid, with responsive service available through their website and customer support team. If you have any issues with the blender, getting in touch with their customer service is straightforward, and their reputation for resolving concerns is decent. I didn't have any reason to contact them during my testing, but knowing that their support is there can offer peace of mind. When it comes to firmware or software updates, this blender doesn't require them. Since it's a straightforward appliance with no smart technology involved, you won't have to worry about keeping it updated, which is a relief for those who want a no-fuss experience. To wrap things up, the Oster Pro Series Blender is a powerful, easy-to-use blender that offers solid performance at a reasonable price. It's not without its flaws. There's some vibration at higher speeds, and it can be a bit loud at times, but overall, it gets the job done and does it well. The Tamper tool is a standout feature, and the dual-direction blades are a clever addition. If you're looking for a blender that can handle smoothies, frozen drinks, and basic kitchen blending tasks, this could be a great choice for you. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or thoughts on the Oster Pro Series Blender, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a review. You can find the link to the product in the comments box. Until next time, happy blending, and remember, there's always more to discover here on Reviews Inside TV.